Hello students, I am Sunil Kumar, Kendriya Vidyalaya Secretariat R.K. Puram. Let me take you to the first episode of Business Studies Class 12 Standard. Today, we'll study the first chapter, Management, its nature and significance. You must be thinking, what is management? Management is a process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling all the activities of the business organization so as to help the organization in the achievement of its organizational objectives. It is an activity where a group of people are working. They must be working differently. They are from different backgrounds. Their religion is different. So it is only management which can correlate and coordinate the activities of all these diverse people. You may be thinking that management is only required in business organizations. But let me tell you, it is not only required in business organizations, it is also required in social and religious organizations. You talk of temple, mosques, hospitals, churches, schools, colleges, or any business organization, everywhere you will find the management. Students, after getting the meaning of management, let me have an expert definition. Mr. Krietner, one of the experts in the field of management, has defined management is the process of working with and through others to achieve organizational objectives by efficiently using limited resources in the changing environment. So with the help of this definition, it is very much clear that the old concept of taking the work from the people is gone. Now, we all, the manager and the workers, need to work together, and only then we'll be able to achieve what we would like to achieve. Only management can help in bringing the efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means bringing down the cost and increasing the profitability. Effectiveness means completing the task on time. And it is only the management which can help in achieving efficiency and effectiveness both. Students, let me have now features of management. The very first feature of management is it is a goal-directed process. The goals of business organization should be simple and clearly stated. An organization may be having so many goals, but it has to quantify it. Say, in a particular year, a business organization has earned 100% profits, and the organization would like to increase it to 150%. The management has to make it clear to all the employees working in the organization that in this particular year we are going to achieve that much amount of profits. So once the employees are clear, the managers are clear, the top level management is clear, only then they will be able to achieve what they would like to achieve. When the goals are simply and clearly stated, the employees will be keeping all the things in their minds and they will be giving their level best. The second feature of management that it is all pervasive. The activities of management is common to all organizations, whether economic, social or political. As I mentioned earlier, that management is required nowadays in all the spheres of life. In a business organization, we are having three levels of management: the lower level of management, the middle level of management and the top level of management. Management is the only thing which is required at all the three levels of management. Now next feature we have, it is a continuous process. The process of management is a series of continuous, composite but separate functions performed by managers all the time. It's not like once the planning is done, then everything is done. No, we have to go for organizing the activities. We have to organize the physical and human resources. We have to employ the competent people by going for the recruitment, selection, training, and then remuneration. We have to direct them. We have to supervise them. We have to provide them able leadership. We have to communicate each and everything to them, and only then we will be able to achieve our organizational objectives. Students, now we have next feature. Management is a group activity. To fulfill the common organizational goals, teamwork and coordination of individual efforts is required. The time has gone when we were thinking